I'm David Spriggs and I do installation artwork. Many years ago, back in 1999, I developed a way of layering through space, and I found it quite an interesting way to represent subjects from ideas of the immaterial to power. And the work's over many years quite big, installation size quite architectural. Beside having my kids. I guess my Straschrome series of installations, they're my large pieces. I see them as a sort of spectrum of color, each being an artwork about the color itself and the symbolic and social connotations of the color. I think of myself as an environmentalist, and everything I do, as you know, is meant to be kept, and something that I take material. Each material is being important, so it's not to be wasted. I think the idea of the hologram being actually like in space, to capture like color in space is what I try and do with my own artwork. But it would be interesting to see a future where light particles can be captured in midair without anything holding them there.